These are all the items you could get by doing the purchase here. First, we're gonna walk over here, and, and these are all the items. You get a lot of things here boost. You get the disruptor, light up kit. You get this uh, Sophia Cynthia Bergamo and Susan and Sophia Cynthia Person and there's a proper way you can do it in this type or belt. And we got Sophia, the yellow, sorry for spoiling, the yellow Cynthia Person. Yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can get this. We're gonna go here. And I do not have box sheet for this video house. But but if you want to get faster, then you can just use any type of food. I recommend Adance because it makes you go one time fast, two times faster. So this is gonna go here. And you will only be if PC players like uh like do this first already, they can play the game but I'm in mobile. So you see this chat right here. So we're gonna go in town and you have to take this apple and this ice cream and this two secrets. So yeah, I forgot about it. So there's like a two gap, like an empty spot. So you're gonna go here and you are and you will stand up. If you both put on these, there will be two towels for each. One there's a knife and and if you literally forget there's a knife here, girl you gotta watch this video. And there's a gnarly sandwich. You can cover it to hold or eat. So I recommend to hold or eat. But I recommend you to eat for like certain things like cafeteria, lunch lady, and like a big cup already. So we're gonna get these two items and we're gonna go here. I forgot I could just set up a second. And now you're gonna see that there'll be a hard button that says I need something cold. And it says yummy. I think I don't know. So that's the other one. And there's another one. So if you go here, right here, and click on this gnarly sandwich, there'll be a button. So I cannot teleport there right there, but there is something working for you guys. I don't think you can see this will be hard. You can guys see those things, those are the things, those are the obvious. Yeah. So once you click that, you will teleport right there, right there. So yeah, and you have to finish the obby to get it done. So we are gonna be doing the next time. You see that set up there? Yeah. So if you just go here and click right here, click right here, there will be a plushie. So you have to pick up the plushie and go right onto the stage. Now what's happening? And you have to place it on the stage. The second map is made by Lana's apartment. So it's just easier. So you have to pick up that and go here. And if you all are wondering, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This, I cannot do it again. If you are a PC player, you can do it. How much time you want. So you're going to, so there's another one right here. And then I'm gonna do the here. Oh my god, I'm coming by the list. What is your favorite part of the trip? A charming day review. Now, you have to go inside the cat cafe, set up it right here, and this is a little hard for PC player but also easy in mobile. So, you're gonna click on this Gabby on a painting, and there's actually a game. Okay, so like it's not in there, like the quest, you just have, there'll be one there right there, you have to click the cat. There'll be, and they'll, they cannot pick up you, so there'll be one where you like, come and pick up the stuff. It's perfect for school. I don't know why. So you just click this Gabby on a painting and click there, and then just go to the bookstore and look at both very fast, you will be a cat. So yeah, once you play this painting, you become a cat and you have to collect 25 things. Once that done, you have to go here and apply the DVD. The next one is kind of simple. So, so we need to find the last one. And the last one is in the, how you pronounce it again? Pure Garden. I'm not really sure. What is so good is this something, a ball right there, I cannot see, but I remember the way. And there will be a ball here, it's not moving, no, it's not moving, but it's like a statue, and there will be a spawn button, and then there will be a big boulder, and you have to go all around, but there will be something complicated. So if you go here, there will be, it's like kind of a maze. And then you're going all around. You just have to do a dance to make it faster. And you see this bridge right here, that means Tokyo. And there will be two lanes. You have to go up here or down there. You have to go on the left side. And once you do it, there will be a cutscene, and you will get the last star, the leader of the group, Tokyo. So that's all the time. Once you're done, go to the Galamania district. I don't know. And there will be something here. Something speaking. Everything you have proven yourself. The econ lounge is waiting for you. And guys, if I'm if I'm like doing it wrong, then go watch some other videos. There's a lot of good creators out there. So you'll go to the theoretical district, and there'll be like a knock puppy, so you have to knock. There'll be a really, really cool country. The grass is big, and you will go outside. So if you go here, there are the Gabriela outfit, and you have these might come out too. You have the Lara shirt, the Lara, no, the cat's eye shirt. The green represents Laura, the purple one represents Sophia, the blue one represents, I think, Daniela. Wait, is that talking? And they have a purple mice, which is kind of cool because purple is the main color of cat side. So, so we have here the Gabriella, the Game Boy, the Norley, the and another Norley, and a Gabriella. So there will be a claim items, and you will get these items. You just go right here. You get this Cynthia boot and this that I like it. And if you're probably wondering, how do I get this pink that's I Cynthia black warmer, that's a Cynthia skirt, and that's I Cynthia corset? You have to do it by the quest. Which stay tuned for that. I might do a part two. Well, bye guys.